Hello, welcome back, guys, to the channel. To the channel. Um, Not much happened today, so this daily recap will be very quick. And sorry for yesterday's long video. It was 12 minutes, I think, and I think that's too long in general. So I think just let's blast through it right now. And as always, follow me on uh, on YouTube at uselinkinv and also on Twitter uselinkinv. I would appreciate it very very much. So quickly to the scoreboard. We had the CPI numbers today, came out at 5%, if I'm correct. Please correct me in the comments below, but I think it was 5%. And the dollar took a big hit, 0.6% down. And we are coming down to this major neckline right here, the blue one. So if we get way below or a tad below 1.1, then I think it will cascade from there. But I think there will be a lot of bulls that are fighting right now for the next few days. So let's keep an eye on that. Here we have the gold to silver ratio. It just keeps going down like a goddamn shut down airplane, going down, going down. But I think we are coming now where we are clearly overbought, oversold, my bad. And we should see a retrace, right? Yeah, in the coming days, maybe weeks, but I think we will see a retrace. Um, but yeah, let's wait and see. This is the overall head and shoulders that I'm looking at. And if we get below again the 75 area, we are going down too. A lot lower. Let's just quickly do the measured move from boom, boom, boom. We have it here, right? There it is, the head to the neckline, and then we have it down here at 55, 54, depending on where you draw. So, okay. Yesterday we looked at silver in divided by the Dixie, and we were here yesterday, just flagging above right here, very small, tiny bull flag, and now we blasted through. But I do think we are coming into what I call here is the waterfall level, which is, I said 0.25 yesterday. So we are getting close to that top here from this massive move down. Let's make it red quickly. So I do think we will get a pullback fairly soon. That's my view. I hope I'm wrong, but I think we are. You can see this massive move up here. It's just one straight line more or less. So I think we're in for a shorter term pullback in the metals. Let's see. Again, yesterday we looked at palladium, right? We have a great day today. Still need to get back above the blue neckline and finally this long-term red resistance at 1560. This ratio I have posted a few times. As you can see right now, we have formed to me the smaller, there it is, head and shoulders right here. I think we will form the right one here. And if we are, then look for the blue neckline to break down, and then nat gas is to outperform uranium spot price. So let's see. We could also blast through, right? And then we will see what happens there. But for now, we are in favor for a nat gas outperformance of uranium spot price. Oh yes, we have oil right now here. Yesterday, you can still see my skedoodles here, my doodles right here, where I drawed yesterday. We have the golden trend line, which we popped out today and got stopped by the 200 DMA. So at least this is a good sign. I think if we can create some sort of base in this area right here for some time, I think we have a fairly good shot going into this one here, the red resistance. And if we get a full stretch move, I think we will get to the upper white. But I think getting somewhere close to just a tad above tad above a 93, that would be a good move for this run here, and ultimately a pullback and then move higher. But let's see. But today was a big day, breaking out of this golden trend line. Just a quick peek here. I posted the Brazilian ETF yesterday. We had the big breakout, even a big gap up. We had a gap up today as well. Went all the way up to the highs, and then we closed with a big doji. So I think this is a big breakout, but I also do think that you should be wary that we have two gaps here. right? Let me just, we have two gaps right here, my quick draws, and we could do a full retest, but let's see. But I think any dips that we're getting now, you should see if you can get an entry if you are going to invest in one of these. But the ultimate breakout is, way out. The ultimate breakout is at around 35, 36, 7, 8. So still some way to go. Uranium had a small down day, but we basically just back tested this one here, this inner dotted resistance that I have. But then again, I'm not bullish uranium until we get back above 32, I would say, at least. So it still has some work to do. SILJ tagged the neckline to perfection today, and then made a hammer candle at the top of a move. It's not. It could be a reversal, but let's see. Let's wait and see. So if we break out, it's a massive resistance. You can see we have the neckline going here all the way over. You have the horizontal previous high, and you have the overall. Uh, maybe it's a tad higher up here. Okay, fair enough. We still only have two. We only have two. But anyways, we are coming into resistance right now, so we have to wait and see if we can pop it here, or we need to chill out a bit below, and then we can perhaps go. I had a request to look at Fortuna Silver Mines, FCM, and I just did a quick look at it. Let's remove the 200. And I think, again, if we can get above this major long-term red resistance zone, we will have a confirmation of, again, the inverse head and shoulders you can see right here. And let me zoom out for you guys just to show you how important this red zone is. You can just clearly see it is going all the way back 10 years. It's just massive clusters and tests and so on and breakouts. So this is a major level for this stock. Getting above 4.20 is very important. And if that happens, I think you can have a great buying opportunity right here. Again, it's all up to you. So, oh, what happened? Last one, but not least, quickly, uranium divided by compared to Nasdaq. You can see this was where we started to outperform heavily, and now we broke down here, and then here. So I hope if we zoom to the daily that we could form some sort of double bottom here going across, and hopefully we can break this upper and then maybe go in for a retest of this orange now resistance, um, and then we will have to wait and see what happens there. What we don't want to see is a big retest and then just resume over, right? We want to see if we can somehow test it and then get back into or above this golden trend line here and then stay there for some time. But for now, Nasdaq is clearly in favor. But I think short term we could see an outperformance of uranium, and then we'll see what happens when we get to this area right here. Cool. That's all I had today. It's not a big day, I would say, but still the dollar got hit a bit, so that's probably the biggest news. And watch for that 101 level for the Dixie, maybe a tad lower. Very important, very important. And we will see what happens within the next week with that level. So cheers, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any recommendations or something that I need to do better, let me know in the comments below. I'm always willing to learn. So have an awesome day and see you tomorrow.